Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of deactivating your Facebook account. So, let's dive right in. First off, open up your Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, head over to the menu. You'll find it usually in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the gear icon at the top of the screen to open up your settings. Next, go into your account center. Navigate through personal details and then account ownership and control. That's where you'll find the option to deactivate your account. Once you're there, tap on the option for account deactivation. Select your Facebook or Instagram account. After that, a new window will appear. By default, the deactivation option is selected. Now, click on the Continue. Now, take a moment to read the information provided. It mentions that deactivating your account will also affect other Facebook profiles and pages where you are the only admin. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. It will prompt you to enter your current Facebook password. Now, enter your password. When you enter your password, click on the Continue. After that, choose a reason from the list for deactivating your account. You can select any option that fits your situation. Click Continue again. Now, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Deactivate My Account. Your account will be deactivated, and it won't be visible on Facebook. Remember, you can reactivate it at any time by logging in with your username and password. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deactivate your Facebook account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.